what's up? Welcome back to the Luxury for Princess channel. My name is Stephanie and today I'm going to show you how to style your Luxury for Princess Volumizer. This is one of my favorite pieces right now because I already have long hair. It just adds a lot of beautiful volume. There's so many ways you can style this, but I'm going to show you guys how I do it. For today's video, I'm going to be styling my hair using the new Luxury for Princess waver. I love this thing, it's amazing. If you want to see how I use this and the volumizer to get 4 summer hairstyles, then just keep watching. This is honestly one of the easiest hair tools to use. You're going to take a section of your hair, and as you guys can see, I'm actually taking a pretty large section. You're going to clamp that on your hair in between the barrels for 5 to 10 seconds. Once you've held it there, you're going to move down to the next section of the hair shaft, clamp the hair tool on, hold it for 5 to 10 seconds, and move down until you reach the last inch of your hair. I like, no matter what kind of curls I'm doing, to leave out that last little bit. I feel like it makes your curls a little bit softer and more natural. The waver gives you these beautiful, beachy, bouncy curls that I just love. I love them just on their own, curled and beautiful, but my favorite thing about this kind of curl is that it's perfect for texturizing your hair when you're doing an updo, when you're doing braids, when you're just styling your hair. It gives your hair a lot more texture so that it holds better throughout the day. I'm gonna do this to my whole head, and then we're gonna start doing some of these easy summer hairstyles. For today's video, I told you guys I'm going to be using my Luxury for Princess Volumizer. This is a 4-clip weft that adds a lot of volume to already long hair. I love it. It's phenomenal. And I've already curled it off camera with my waver. I'm just going to clip that in after I've sectioned my hair, and you guys can see instantly how much more volume my hair has. It's incredible. I love using this for updos, ponytails, braids. It hides easily in your hair, but at the same time, it adds a big impact. So what I'm gonna do is take a section at my hairline, and I'm just gonna do a really simple, small French braid. This is just to add a little bit of texture at the crown to make it a little bit kind of more interesting, but at the same time, to keep my bangs from falling out of this little mini bun we're doing. So I'm just braiding my hair, and I'm gonna secure that with a hair elastic, and that's just gonna keep everything from falling out. This is easy. It really depends on the thickness of your hair, but I just twirl it into a little messy bun, and I'm gonna secure that with a couple of bobby pins. It's a really easy 5-minute and you're out the door hairstyle. It keeps your hair off your face, but you still get the length and volume of having your hair down, kind of half up, half down. Super cute. For this next hairstyle, we're gonna keep the mini bun, but we're gonna add a couple more to it. This is actually one of my favorite hairstyles. It's so easy, and it looks like you spend a lot of time. So you're just gonna take another section below the first one, curl it into a little messy bun, and secure it with some bobby pins. This is, you don't need to see this. It's almost impossible to mess this up. The messier, the better. It's very romantic. I'm gonna take a couple more sections. Now, when I'm using and incorporating that volumizer, I like to make sure I'm grabbing pieces of my natural hair and of the volumizer, so that helps to hide the hair weft beautifully. So I've just got those little pieces of hair. I like to twirl it on itself and then kind of turn it into a little rosette bud, and then secure that in place with a couple of bobby pins. This hairstyle takes me 3 minutes or less. It's no muss, no fuss, but it gives you a beautiful look. Very bohemian, but at the same time, fast, quick, and you're out the door. This is one of my favorites for my everyday hairstyle at home. For this next look, I just added a simple braid to the already curled hair. This is great for second or third day hair when you need to get your hair off your face. Maybe your roots are a little bit dirty, but you don't want to do a lot to your hair. To make this even more interesting, I'm going to put it in a low ponytail. This is so good when it's hot out. It's great for the fall time when you're wearing a lot of turtlenecks and heavy clothes and you want your hair up off your face and your neck. gorgeous. You're just gonna secure that in place with a hair elastic. Take a small section of hair and you're gonna wrap that around the hair elastic. That's gonna hide that ugly hair elastic and just add that little extra touch to this updo. Secure that in place with a bobby pin and make sure you fluff that ponytail so it looks really full and really kind of bohemian and beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. As always, everything you need to know is going to be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!